Imagine your AI agent can't click the right button, not because it's dumb, but because it's too far away to see the tiny icon. That's where zooming comes in, not just as a visual trick, but as a core reasoning tool. In this paper, we introduce ZoomClick, a simple, training-free method that unlocks the full power of Zoom for GUI grounding. Instead of blindly zooming in, ZoomClick uses 4 smart rules. 1. Pre-zoom, check if the global view agrees with local patches. If so, start there. 2. How to zoom, shrink the view directly in the original coordinate system. No drift, no overflow. 3. When to stop, stop when you hit the minimum crop size, avoid over-zooming into noise. 4. Depth control, iteratively narrow the view, letting the model correct itself step by step. The result? A massive leap in accuracy. UI Venus 72B hits 73.1% success on ScreenSpot-Pro, beating even its own larger version. Smaller models even surpass bigger ones. But here's the twist, current benchmarks don't test zoom properly. So we built GUIZoom-Bench, a new evaluation framework that classifies zoom behavior into 5 types: easy normal, hard normal, easy mislead, hard mislead, and hard-est. This reveals exactly when zoom helps, when it fails, and why. We found that general-purpose models benefit from broader context, while UI-specialized models collapse under over-zooming. They're too focused on icons, not layout. This shows zoom isn't just a tool, it's a diagnostic lens into how models actually see. And the biggest insight: zoom isn't saturated. The performance gap between current methods and what's possible is huge. But it's not about more training, it's about smarter inference. With ZoomClick, you get SOTA results, no retraining, no extra data. Just pure, clean, iterative focus. This isn't just about clicking buttons. It's about teaching AI to see the way humans do. Zoom in, refine, click.